Hello, I am Badri Shaparna, a business leader with over 25 years of experience, bringing value to customers in various business segments and to the organizations I have worked for. During the course of my interaction and development of business, I have come across many customers, big and small, and there have been challenges, and one such challenge which I am going to discuss with you is transitioning an account which is a new enterprise account. Fundamentally, we are talking about a customer who is not our customer today but can bring big value to us. This is what we mean transitioning new enterprise account. One such case which I am talking about is a company which I worked for, a lube oil major. He is the customer he was trying to convert. He is a UK headquartered company. They had global operations and practices. That means this was a company running in the market for quite a long time, a customer which I was looking for business, and most importantly, this was a customer who was already a stronghold of my competition. So transitioning him into our fold had much more difficulties. But still we overcame, we were positive. How we did? We discovered during the course of our interactions, the customer was looking for two important things. One was they wanted the agile partner, because our competitor over a period of time of alliance had become sluggish. The second one was obvious. They were looking for savings, but not in the short term but in the long term, because they wanted to bring value to themselves. They were also growing in the market. They were trying to beat competition, so they had to be competitive, and they wanted somebody who can give a quicker response but still bring in value to them. Now the challenges which we faced, we had to prove that we are better. So we have the customer here, it's we, it's the competition. We had to say that we are better. Because they were changing the supplier, the existing staff in the customer place, they posed some challenge to us. They were not receptive to the changes which we were talking about or the new solutions which we were likely to bring. Apart from this, we had work environments and operational rules of the customer which were totally different, we were not used to. And for us as an organization, this kind of big scale conversion was not an experience in India by then. So these were the challenges we had. We made a very systematic approach, which I call it economical acceleration. That means we were working on speed, we were working on cost. The first thing which we did was, we benchmarked the ISO standards. That means everything which we did was comparable to global standards. The next was, based on the customer experience, we re-engineered our products so that we brought more value. The third was, what we talked, we proved it on a pilot scale. The fourth was, we scaled up and showed that the results could be sustained. We established methods how to monitor, documented into good practices, good manufacturing practices. Then we gave 18/7 support. We couldn't afford 24/7. We were practical. Which means a host of actions we put together in a structured way, and then we got the result. What was the result? We were told that we are better. Taking the cue from here, there are many accounts which are in the oil industry where my customer was working, and other major companies, they also transitioned. So you can see the chain reaction which we initiated. And with these companies, we did project collaboration at site. We did division of work. We were doing work, bringing in value where we had expertise. Customer would take contact on behalf of his customer, and we would execute at site. So if you see all this, we were giving them a package of solutions, and as I say, we won all the three prizes. So the message here is transitioning a new enterprise generally is taken very lightly. But I should acknowledge the role played by all my support groups, because they were receptive. They saw the value in this customer, and we were able to sustain it because it was done in a very structured and rational way. I am sure you will benefit from this kind of exercises. All the best and thank you.